Okay guys, I am in California, and yes, I've been a few places, and I forgot to bring the camera. It's with me, but it wasn't with me when I needed it to be with me. So today, it's Saturday. Yes, I've been here for 3 days. We are going to the movies, me and my Katie. Can you see her? There she is. And we're going to go see Little Women. I also wanted to tell you guys, those of you interested, because I know that you watched me in the vlogs when I was taking care of my mom. Well, she passed away last night, but she had had a heart attack probably about 6 days ago, and she had been unconscious since then. So she had signed a DNR, and so that's how long it took before she passed, and she never regained consciousness. So anyways, I just wanted everybody to know that has been asking about updates. She seemed fine. My sister said she seemed fine when they saw her on Monday. And then the next time they saw her, she just wanted to sleep. And she had already had the heart attack then. So she didn't go unconscious from the heart attack, but nobody knew she had it until 2 days later. And that's when the facility called an ambulance for her, and they took her to the hospital, and that's when they found out that she had had a heart attack. And she went unconscious at some point. I'm not sure when. So that's an update on her. And
We're gonna go.
Did get to see her. So she had the heart attack on, on Monday she was fine. And my sister said that she was happy where she was at, that they loved her there. They were so sad that she had had a heart attack, and because she was always smiling. And I said, that's great. I'm so glad. Whoa. I'm so glad she was happy where she was at, but I know she was ready to go. She did not like the life she was living in that body. Not because of the place or anything like that, just the fact that she couldn't do what she wanted to do. So, and I know that when she was with me, she wouldn't sign a DNR. The stroke had scared her to where she was afraid to die, basically. But I guess at some point, my sister said that they had all the papers, and then she was more than willing to sign them. So either she didn't understand, and I pretty much made it clear what the DNRs were, and the fact that she didn't want to sign them, that was fine with me, because she was improving at that point. So, oops, sorry. So, that's where we are. She has passed. She's with my dad now, and I know she's in a better place because she was not happy in that body. So, I will check back in later when we get to the movies. Hey guys, I don't vlog very well, so it's a long time since we went to the car dealership, but we did buy the car. So I just thought I would show you the car. So I am going to, I guess I'm just going to turn it around because I don't know how to make it turn.
Yeah, you have to stop it.
So I'll show you the car now.
There she is.
Here it is. It looks kind of brown right now, but it's not. It's gray. It's like a sparkly, really dark gray. Isn't it beautiful? It is a GMC Yukon SLE, and it's a 2018, and it's gorgeous, and we got a great deal, and it took forever. So, okay, I just want to show you the car. So, now we're going to Ulta. We're going to get Katie some new makeup. See? Where are you?
I need makeup.
She needs makeup. So, here we go. Hey guys, okay, it is Tuesday. I'm not sure how much vlog's gonna go where. So it's Tuesday. Katie has been gone since yesterday morning, so she's been gone for a whole day. All the kids are at school and daycare, and I am headed to Sam's Club to get some groceries. So hopefully I will remember to vlog while I'm there, because it's a huge list. She's like, sometimes I have to get 2 carts and make 2 trips. I'm like, okay. So it's gonna be an adventure, and then after that we're gonna go to Walmart. But I think I'm gonna wait till some of the kids are home this afternoon to go to Walmart, because that way they can help me. So I will check back in when we get to Sam's Club. Okay, guys, I'm trying to find cereal. Trying to find some gluten-free cereal. These Cheerios look really good. They are Oat Crunch Cinnamon, but I cannot find where it says gluten-free anywhere on them, even though it says made with whole grain oats. It doesn't say gluten-free, and so I'm afraid to get it. But I'm not finding anything that does, other than the Fruity Pebbles. They say gluten-free. So, I'm still looking. Anyways, this is what I've got so far. She gave me a list of things to get, and oh my gosh, I am having a horrible time figuring out what the heck she was talking about. She said she wanted chicken breast, thin sliced chicken breasts. I don't know what that is. I couldn't find anything that said that. And she wanted hamburger, and she said it was an 8-pack. There was no 8-packs, so I don't know what to get. I'm not going to get those. I'm just going to wait. What is that? Fruit Loops. Cinnamon Toast Crunch Churros. I think Cinnamon Toast Crunch is gluten-free. But I don't see where it says that. It says sweetened wheat and rice, so obviously that's not gluten-free if it's got wheat in it. Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Oh, here's Honey Bunches of Oats. I wonder if they're gluten-free. Let's see. Honey Bunches of Oats with almonds. It should be, right? Let's see. Right there is where it should say. Vitamin D, iron, sugars, sodium, saturated fat, 130 calories. Well, we'll just have to go to the ingredients. I don't see any ingredients. Maybe they're on the bottom. Oh, yeah, there they are. All right, ingredients. Let's see. There. Corn, whole grain wheat. Okay. Obviously, Honey Bunches of Oats is Honey Bunches of Oats, wheat, and other stuff. Well, I need to get something for the kids. I mean, I got them. I think I'm just going to get them Lucky Charms. They like Lucky Charms. So, we'll just get Lucky Charms. They're not gluten-free, but that's okay. So, that's what we're getting. Hey guys, I am done at Sam's Club. I got everything except the 2 things that I couldn't really understand what she meant by it because I couldn't find anything like that. The hamburger in the 8-pack and the thin sliced chicken breast. I couldn't find those, so we'll just have to not have that till she gets back and we'll go get them separate. But I got everything else on the Sam's Club list. And now I'm going through In-N-Out to get a protein-style burger, and I'm heading back home. So, because I have to pick the kids, start picking kids up at 3 o'clock, and it's 1 o'clock now. So, that's what we're doing, and then I will show you everything we got. Oh, I did show you kind of, in the cart, but I'll show you when I get home because I have to haul it all in the house. I might as well show you, right? It's a bunch of junk. She feeds those kids. They get to eat whatever they want. Which, that's fine. They're kids. So, anyways, I will talk to you again when we get home.
My face.
You guys ready to go home? Yeah? And eat pork chops? And broccoli? Yeah. What are you doing? You need to clean it. What is it? That's my leg you're pinching, Missy. It's my leg you're pinching. You're gonna fall. You can't have this. You can have this. You need that too. Okay guys, I think I am going to end this video here. I hope you guys all enjoyed it. Don't forget to leave it a thumbs up. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos, and I will see you in my next video. Stay cool.